The Dream Team and the Tornadoes are doing the coin flip. Alright,
here we go. On your mark. Get set. Winners move on. Losers out.
The Dream Team won the coin flip.
Let's go, Dream Team. Let's go. Let's go, Dream Team. Let's go.
No.
Ready on your mark.
Let's go, Dream Team. Let's go.
Okay.
Let's go, Dream Team.
Did you hit the recording? Yes, I did.
Alright.
Tyler, you're going to need to get up high where you can get everybody. You're only going to get certain people. Hey, move up on the corner or up there. Hey, here we go.
Okay.
Let me see.
When you walked over here, did you cut it off? What are you filming while you're walking?
I don't know.
Ready?
Sports tournament.
Yeah.
The Dream Team versus Tornado. And Brother has been the guest special referee.
Ready? Here we go. We got one serving, two, one to three.
Dream Team versus Tornado.
We got three serving, one, 3-1. 3-1.
Maddie, he's scared.
Don't hit it, Kim. Don't hit it, Kim. Don't peer pressure.
Oh!
Two serving, three. Two serving, three.
I'm supposed to be on the Tornado.
Go ahead.
We got three serving, 4, 3, 4. Three serving, 4. Five serving, 3. 5-3.
Filming the tournament.
8.
I know. One way you're on right here. Ugh. There. Because it doesn't come out right. 9-3. Okay, the game's almost over. Yay.
I keep getting tied over and over.
The Dream Team and the Tornadoes are in a timeout. They're talking over their strategy.
Stop.
Brother Wilson is our guest ref. The Dream Team are at 9 and the Tornadoes are at 3.
And Brandon's very dumb.
Hey.
Come on, Maddie!
Come on, Maddie, right down this line.
Come on, Maddie, you got this!
And CJ's had the short one because he kind of overlapped.
Huh?
Kind of overshot it.
Which team won that?
Dream team.
Tell now the Dream Team moves on back into the winners bracket.
The Dream Team has moved on back into the winners bracket.
And they have one loss, and the Shifters right now are kind of in the lead. They have not lost. So the Dream Team will have to beat them twice in order to be the champions. And the Shifters need to beat them only one time to be the champions. So that round will be coming up next. Get ready. Cut it off.